Come test drive the 2008 Town & Country. Town & Country's V6 engine provides plenty of power while still providing the fuel efficiency you look for in a vehicle. Tow up to 3,600 pounds when your Town & Country is equipped with a towing prep package. Seat 7 comfortably and choose from stow and go seating or the innovative swivel and go seating. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: third row seat, anti-lock braking system, traction control, quad seating, air conditioning, home link garage door opener, power steering, cruise control, aluminum wheels, FWD. Come see the car for yourself.